Hi, this is Dr. Nishal, and in this video we're going to be talking about Hashimoto's thyroiditis and how to treat it naturally. Now, contrary to popular belief, there are a lot of really effective options as far as natural medicine is concerned when it comes to treating this disorder. There's certain supplements, there's certain foods, and there's a lot of studies that have been done on them, and I'm going to be sharing that with you in this video. These can really improve your thyroid health as well as reduce your antibody levels um, and reduce inflammation overall. Remember, in the case of Hashimoto's thyroiditis, the thyroid gland is basically inflamed, the immune system is attacking. That's why you have those thyroperoxidase antibodies, and your ESR levels, SED rate, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, is through the roof usually. ESR is the indicator of inflammation in the body. It's a generalized test just to see if there's any inflammation. And the antibodies show you that the immune system is attacking. So what can be done about this? The number one thing, this is my secret, but I'm sharing it with you anyways because you need to get better. Black seed. Now hold on, before you say, oh, everybody talks about black seed, there's some article going around about it being a cure for everything besides death. There's actually a pretty solid study that was done on black seed in the case of Hashimoto's thyroiditis that was done at the University of Tabriz. I think that's how you pronounce it, University of Tabriz in Iran. The black seed is a very commonly consumed thing in the Middle East as well as in India, and it's used in Ayurvedic medicine. And specifically in Ayurvedic medicine, we recommend this in the case of autoimmune conditions. All autoimmune conditions, we use it as part of the treatment protocol. Now, the study that was done at the Tabriz University, I think it was of Medical Sciences, I'll post the study so you can go through it yourself and see what it's all about. Basically, what they did was they administered black seed to these patients with Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and after 8 weeks, there was a significant reduction in antibody levels, an improvement in T3 levels, reduction in weight, reduction in body mass index, and I think there was a reduction in TSH as well. Now this is a really good thing because getting antibodies down is impossible, especially with the drugs that you take from your regular doctor. Usually they'll put you on some sort of steroid, prednisolone, or something, and that goes and it destroys your liver health, and it goes and destroys, it causes a wide range of side effects, um, which nobody needs to go through. So this is a really good option, black seed. I use it clinically with my patients of Hashimoto's as well as MS and a few other diseases, scleroderma, lupus. So in my opinion, in my personal experience, it works quite effectively, and the study validates that. But that's one aspect. Now, what causes Hashimoto's thyroiditis? Now, there's so many things that are linked to the development of autoimmune conditions. The main thing is issues with cellular metabolism, and but that's a very, very long story, and I'll have to do an entire video on that as well. And that's but let's get to one of the more common causes, or at least one of the things that has a lot of supporting evidence, which is EBV, Epstein-Barr virus, and it's linked to Hashimoto's thyroiditis as well as many autoimmune conditions. It's a very common virus that many people, I think there's a couple 100 million here in the US that are infected with it. And it is believed to be, most autoimmune conditions are triggered by something, and the belief by many scientists is that viruses trigger it, certain nutritional deficiencies trigger it, like vitamin D deficiencies, which is also good for the case of thyroid swelling and in the case of Hashimoto's. But if you're going to take vitamin D, make sure your liver is functioning well, your kidneys are functioning well. And so yeah, EBV plays a role, and in my opinion, I think that the evidence really strongly indicates that it plays a role in the development of this disease. So what can be done about that? I always administer a standard antiviral, natural antiviral, and that is what you can find in your kitchen. That would be garlic. I recommend a garlic supplement, but I don't recommend the typical supplements that you guys get at your health store. I recommend a Ayurvedic supplement known as Lasunadi Vati. Lasuna is the Sanskrit term for garlic. And basically what this contains is garlic is the main ingredient. Then it also contains cumin, regular cumin, uh, long pepper, black pepper, ginger. And I think it contains asafoetida as well. What this does is it supports your metabolic function. It improves your metabolism overall. It supports thyroid function, and it's antiviral, antibacterial. So I would strongly recommend taking a garlic supplement or getting this supplement, and make sure that you speak to your doctor about it. Try to work with your doctor and an Ayurvedic doctor or a naturopath, and combine, integrate. That's the purpose of integrative medicine. That's what makes it so effective, is that together, combining medical sciences is what improves your outcome of your condition and your chances of getting into remission. So yes, that's the antiviral I would recommend. There are many other antivirals out there and other foods that are that are believed to improve, I mean to fight off EBV. Some of them are wild blueberries, etc. You can Google that. There's tons of information on it. So an antiviral as well as black seed. So we're looking at two things here: black seed and garlic. Now, in addition to this, it's very important to improve liver function and support in order to support the overall metabolism, because as I said, it's a metabolic issue, and metabolic deficiencies, specifically cellular metabolic deficiencies, so it's responsible for the development of autoimmune conditions. So you definitely want to support liver health always. That plays a role in every aspect of your health, even brain health, even reproductive health. It's very important. As far as diet is concerned, there's certain anti-inflammatory foods that are also thyroid boosting, and the number one food would be coconut oil. Coconut oil contains MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, known for boosting thyroid function, and it's anti-inflammatory. It's good for your digestive system. It has a wide range of benefits. It helps improve neurological health. In fact, there's a study that was done recently that showed it may play a significant role in Alzheimer's disease. This is really good for you, and I recommend it to most of my patients. Like, those that require it at least. And so I would consume this. I would add this into my diet if I was you. And so yeah, we got black seed, garlic, and coconut oil. And to improve liver health, I've done videos on that. You can go check that out. So yeah, that was my take on Hashimoto's thyroiditis and how to treat it naturally. If you'd like to get in contact with me, you can go to my website, drnishal.com, doctornishal.com. And I do online consults. So if you're in Orlando, you can come to my clinic, and I'll see you in the next video.